Give your clothes the care they deserve with this eye-catching Eco Bubble Washer Dryer from Samsung, which is packed with innovative features for effortless results. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an A energy rating, a medium-sized 8kg drum capacity for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. Samsung's Bubble Soak option will make light work of tough stains. Once you pick your preferred wash program, select the Bubble Soak button to thoroughly soak your laundry in a luxurious foam. This loosens any difficult marks like wine or grass before the main wash, meaning your clothes get the deepest clean possible. So, whether it's that Saturday night shirt or your brand new sportswear, they'll always look impressively vibrant and fresh. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cotton dry option, and clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, so it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. If you're looking for a washer-dryer with a range of innovative features to take special care of your clothes, this EcoBubble model from Samsung is an excellent choice.